Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. Thanks so much for taking time to stop by my channel. Today I have a HIMI Gouache painting. I have two sets of HIMI Gouache that one is a pastel and one's just the basic set. And I have some Strathmore Tone Tan paper here, which holds, as long as you don't get too much water involved in your art, it holds up to a variety of different things there. And I did flip that over and realized I painted on the back of another card front that I painted. Yeah. So at this point, I'm just gonna have to pick my favorite one and go with that. And I think it might be this one. This one, I have lots of greens, and I've got those deep greens and some olivey greens, and I'm just kind of splurting out some leaves there just so I can kind of have a little trajectory. Sometimes I start with the flower, sometimes I start with the leaves. I don't know, it's whatever I feel like doing, I guess, in the moment. I will leave links down below if you're interested in the products used in this video. And sorry, still getting over another cold. And someday you'll hear a video where it's like, I'm perfectly healthy. And then you won't, because I'll be in heaven. But anyways, yeah, c'est la vie. So I'm coming in with just layering on some different sort of yellow ochre colors and whites and just trying to give texture. And I'm using the little mixer palette thing that comes with the HIMI Gouache sets, and I'm making up a blue that I like, because some of the colors in there are rather I don't know the word for it, but it's not my favorite. So I just mix a few, and then I do. Some of them are great, and some of them are just a little weird. It's like, oh. But anyways, make your own colors. And so you have enough there that you can mix. And so I started out making more of a, I guess, pointy sort of leafed flower, and moved on to the rest. I later come back and change that. But just some filler flowers here with some different shades of the blues that are available. I will be using this as a card front, like I said, so the whole light fastness issue is not a problem. I also scan this in, and I use the flowers for digital surface patterns for fabric and wallpaper. Also links down below if you're interested in that. But yeah, so the light fastness issue on the HIMI Gouache obviously is not, if you're going to be selling the painting original canvases or something like that, it's probably not going to last long unless you tell people, and that's fine. But anyways, so they're great fun. It's nice. You don't have to squeeze the tubes out. So you just kind of have the little pink pots there, and you can just spritz them with some water before you put the lid on, and help keep the moisture in. So here you see me coming in on this sort of pointy flower, and I'm kind of changing it to a more rounded one. And I don't know why, I just wasn't feeling the other one. So, and again, layering in colors. So, just trying to get the idea of different depth and perception, more of an impressionistic sort of style than real, actually. But I love the layers of texture and the opacity that gouache has, and very easy to layer, like super easy to layer. So if you're looking for something very user-friendly to start out painting with, I think it's a great set to do that with. And then it has that sort of matte finish rather than the acrylic, which I love working with acrylic too, but acrylic has that sort of more shiny look about it. So this is going to be somebody's card, and I will put it on a backing and do some things with that. But I think I cut this down to 4 1/4 by 5.5. I can't remember, or maybe I did 5 by 7. Here I'm coming in with my Caran d'Ache Neocolor 2s. These are water soluble crayons, I guess, if you want to say it that way, pigment and stick, and just adding some extra layer there. Lots of things you could add. Color pencil would work well with gouache, as well as the Lyra. And even oil pastels. I'm not putting oil pastels on this because it will be a card, and I don't want it to smudge within the envelope. But these paint sticks working well. So I've got my distress. I keep trying to bring those out, those distress crayons or distress pencils, I should say. And I keep trying to like them. So we'll see. I know lots of people love them. I tend to go back to my Lyra and my Caran d'Ache though. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Here are some patterns I made with this design. I hope you like it. I hope you get down into your room and create something wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me today. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.